said before, I said on my last video, I said I'm going to make a live video to show you the withdrawals on this platform called Yunus Loop. So their withdrawal is automatic. As you can see here, I have only $4 here, 4 USDT, which is $4. So let me go to my account there now and see, because it remained few minutes before I'm going to get the payment. Automatically, it's automatic, you don't have to do anything. So let me go down to check how many minutes it remains, because I set my alarm for it so that I can make a live video. So it remained 38 minutes, 37 minutes. As you can see it here, it remained 37 minutes 50 seconds. So right now I'm going to pause this video and still set my alarm, so that when it gets to about 5 minutes, I'm going to start this video and show it to you. So let me just put my alarm at this area. Okay, this area is okay. 11 something, let me check it. 37. So let me just put it at 11:31 a.m. So that is it. It can't be 6 minutes, no? Okay. Let me put it as 11:48 a.m. So that is 22 minutes to come. So let me go back to this thing. Let me go back to it. As you can see, I just sent out part of my Tron to someone now. So the time, I think the time is as you can see, I just sent it out to someone and you can see the time. So that is the reason why you see that my Tron has been deducted. So now let me go back to the site and let's see. Note, you should know one thing. Make sure you have Tron here always. Make sure you have Tron here, at least 20 Tron, or you can have more, because to cover the transaction fee. So make sure you have Tron there always. So let me go back to the Discover and go to my accounts and wait for it. After the loops is over, it expired, it will take some time. I don't know how many minutes it will take to receive the money on my wallet. It will take few minutes. As you can see, it remained 2 minutes here now, so it will take few minutes after it expired for this total amount to get to my wallet. So we will see. So you can see 6 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Boom. So that is it. As you can see, it has ended. What I have been waiting for the past 17 days has ended today. So right now I am going to wait. I don't know how many minutes it will take for me to receive the money, but let's see the time. Can look at the time at above this. Let me say this 12 o'clock. This 12 o'clock. So, and the status here has not shown anything. So I am going to wait. I'm going to pause this video and wait till I receive it. You can see this is 12:02 now. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait. Let me pause the video, and when I see something, maybe I receive the money on my wallet or I see any changes here, I'm going to play the video to show it to you. So guys, it even take less than that. As you can see, immediately, it immediately, I just say I should just come back and check here, and as you can see, the money is here already. This is, I now have $132 here, $132. I have $4 here before, 4 point something dollars, plus the $127. As you can see, I now have $132 here, $132. They did not even deduct the Tron I thought they would deduct. So they did not even deduct any Tron. You can see it here. That you can see everything. You can see it. So guys, you can see it by yourself. Let me go back to my account there. Let me see if there are even right here anything there. Let's see. So let's see. They are not writing anything. They are not writing anything. So let me check my personal this thing. So guys, that is it. That is it. So right now I want to restake again. I want to restake it again. This time you can restake both your capital and your profit together to do compound interest. But this is my first payment on it. I'm not going to. I just want to take my profit right now and use it for some other things. So right now I'm still going to go for another 100 USDT. I'm going to use another USDT again to do it for 17 days again. So for example, let's say I want to use the whole capital here to do it for 17 days. I'm going to get this. I'm going to get 167. I'm going to get 167. So instead, let me just use 100 again. Let me just use 100 again. So I'm still going to get the 127 after the 17 days. I'm going to get the 127 after the 17 days. So click on start circulate. Make sure you have Tron. Anytime you want to start your circulation, make sure you have Tron on your wallet. So now let the contract go. Continue. Click on continue. As you can see, send the 100 USDT. So now click on confirm. To confirm the payment, they are going to charge you $1.25 for Tron, which is 13 point something Tron. Now then input your password to start it. To your password. So after you input your password, do everything. So that is it. As you can see, I now have $32 remaining here now. So that is the profit I have. If you like, you can still mistake this one to join it, but I just want to use that money for another things. So you can see this is my order waiting for loop. Waiting for loop. You can see it here. Waiting for loop. Waiting for in loop. So that is it, guys. That is it. If I go back to my account here, we see that they have deduct the Tron here. You can see I now have only 6 Tron left here on my wallet. Yeah, I now have only 6 Tron because for the transaction fee. So that is it, guys. That is how it works. If you want to know more about this smart contract investment, check the description of this video. You see my first and second video, link to my first and second video there, and everything. A link to register, you will also see it on the description of this video. Just click on it. It will direct you to a document. Copy the link and use it. So that is all. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.